Okay, this is on. All right. Thank you for joining, everyone. Good to see you again. So this is the 5th of April on Monday. So today, I will start to look at the first pound JPY and also Euro USD. These are two trending pairs on a daily basis, daily chart. So let me start to talk about these pairs first, and then we'll check some other charts. And after this public live, I'm thinking to do another live stream from my second channel. So if you're interested, you can simply click on the below description and come to my second channel. This is my private life and private ideas and video clips. So I will be doing the live stream on this second channel after this public live. So you feel free to join if you have time, because I will be leaving Dubai tomorrow. So this is my second last day. Time flies. I've been here for 1 month so far, and it's been a so enjoyable stay here in Dubai. Okay, so let's get started. Before starting here, just a quick disclaimer. This information is basically based on my experience and knowledge. So when you take trades, please do with your own risk management. So let me put the trading view in the screen. Okay. All right, so okay, thank you for joining, everyone. Good to see you again. Kasiya and Asif Peyo, thank you for joining. Dave and let's say Tony, Tam, Jorg, and Angie, Trader Robbie, and Christopher, thank you for joining as well. Great to see you again, everyone. So yeah, let me go to charts. And oops, hold on, let's see. Let me redo this one. So how's everybody doing today? The market is trending on the daily chart, but in the lower time frames, it's ranging. So hopefully you either cut loss soon or you wait for the next opportunity. I was outside today all day, and I just came back to the hotel, so I didn't really have a chance to see charts. I only posted these two pairs, pound JPY and euro dollar. So I will start to talk about these two pairs and see what's happening right now. So first, let me talk about the pound JPY. All right, Dink and TikTok lover. Sorry, TikTok, thank you for joining. Good to see you here. Okay, so pound JPY. This is in daily chart. This is posted 5 hours ago, and on the daily chart, this is uptrending. So the Kumo's up, Kijun Sen Tenkan Sen up, and Chikou span above the candles. So in this case, I expect the market to go up on the bullish wave like this. And right now, what's happening is that the this is still trending up. I can still say that this is bullish because the Kumo is still up, Kijun Sen Tenkan Sen is still up, and Chikou span above the candles. So this is still bullish. So let me look at the lower time frames, 1 hour. And in 1 hour chart, yeah, this is now bullish. Also the Kumo is up, Senko span A is up, and Kijun Sen is pointing upwards now. So this could be continuous uptrend on the N wave, on a bullish N wave like this. And the price can be supported by this Kijun Sen, and it could go up continuously. So I think this is a good timing to look for the buy chance at the moment. So yeah, every time I say the uptrend, what I mean is that the market goes up on the N wave. I don't say that it's gonna keep going up. I never say that. I say the market goes up on the N wave. So most likely, if the Kumo up, Kijun Sen up like this, then most likely the price won't break the previous low. But when it does, I mean when the market continues to retrace backwards and breaks the Kijun Sen, then that will make the Kumo Kijun Sen flat, and you will see the retracement, and it might break the previous low, and this might be the end of the uptrend so far. For sure, this is going to be in a range market after the break of the support, or once the market goes into the Kumo, this is the sign of the range. So the price afterwards, the price could go up or it could go down, and we cannot really see which way it's going if it really happens. So that's in the 1 hour chart. We have to wait for the candle close. This is going to close in about 52 minutes. So we'll see how this candle close is going to be. And looking at the 30-minute chart, in 30-minute chart, this is also flat. We have the long bearish candle at the moment, and the Senko span A is retracing, B is flat, and Kijun Sen flat also. So in 30-minute chart, this is flat, and there is no trend, so we cannot really expect the N wave in 30-minute chart. But in 1 hour chart, the Kumo is still up, and Kijun Sen is still up also, and daily chart is also uptrending in a bigger picture, so the price could go up on this N wave still, on this bullish N wave. So that's the pound JPY in my view. Let's see. I see a couple of comments about this pound JPY. Yeah, so this is the pound JPY analysis. Yep. So for now, it's retracing. So you have to wait until the price comes above the Kijun Sen, and Kumo should go up, and Kijun Sen itself should point upwards, and then afterwards you look for the buy chance, buying edge in 15 or 15 or 5 minute time frame. Yeah, right now this is retracing, so this is not a good time to buy obviously. We have to wait for the candle close in 1 hour chart. So that's the pound JPY. So let me switch it to the Euro USD. Okay, so the Euro USD is reversing backwards now. Let me first review my analysis. So yeah, Euro USD is like this. This is also posted 5 hours ago. I was expecting, and still expecting, the market goes down this way, because we have the Kumo down, Senko span A is down, and Kijun Sen itself is down. And now in Euro USD, we see the market is retracing in a short term. Today's retracement, because of the news, is retracing backwards, but I still see that the Senko span A is down and Kijun Sen down, Tenkan Sen down also, and Chikou span below the candles. So that means I still expect the market go down on the reversing waves on the daily chart. So this could be still the small retracement, and it could go down continuously like this way. So that's my analysis on this daily time frame. And with that in mind, I look at the 1 hour chart. Okay, in 1 hour chart, the market is going against the daily time frame. It's going up now. It just broke the previous high. So from so after this, the daily chart is still going down. So I wait for the market to first of all go down below the Kumo, and Kumo should twist bearish, and Kijun Sen should point down, and Chikou span should come below the candles, and then if that's the case, I look for the sell chance. That will be a good sell setup on this 1 hour chart. I look at the 5 or 15. If it happens, then look for the exact selling edge. Yeah, so myself is the day to swing trader. So I never trade based on the 1 hour chart. I never trade based on the 30-minute chart, because I like to follow the daily or 4 hour chart direction. So yeah, as long as the daily chart is still going down on this euro dollar, as long as daily chart is still going down, I follow this downtrend. But let's say the market keeps going up afterwards. Let's say the market keeps going up this way on the N wave in 1 hour chart. Then tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, the daily chart should be flat Kumo, flat Kijun Sen. If it happens, then of course I won't look for the sell chance anymore. Yeah, so that's my view on this euro dollar. So make sure you follow the major direction. Even if you are a day trader, swing trader, or intraday trader, you better stick to the trend direction on these time frames. Okay, so let me come back to some comments here now. Okay, I got lots of questions and lots of traders coming in. Thank you for joining, everyone. Good to see you here. Okay, Peyo says a euro dollar unfortunately went opposite way. K predicted it is moving the stars. Oh yeah, so this is reversing backwards, but if you see daily chart, this is still downtrending. Yeah, on the daily basis, this is still downtrending. So as I said yesterday, the price could still resisted by the Tenkan-sen, and it could go down still. So once again, myself is a day to swing, so I follow daily or 4 hour chart direction. And I never use the word predict because nothing is predictable in this market. I only analyze the charts logically and objectively, and never try to predict which way it's going. Okay, so let's cover some other comments here. Let's see. Robert, thank you for joining. Danny, good to see you here. Link says, took the USD/JPY downtrending in 1 hour time frame. Okay. So yeah, USD/JPY has been uptrending. So if you take a sell, then you are following the downtrend in, let's say, 30-minute time frame, I believe. Yeah, in 30, it's going down. So you could follow the 30 downtrend. But I see that the Kumo is too thin here. Kumo is very thin. So once the market reaches to the next support level, it could reverse backwards. So let's see. The next support level is going to be, yeah, this was a support over here. 110.81 was a previous support, and also there is another support here, 109.92. So the price could go down to that level, and because of this Kumo thinness, it can retrace backwards anytime soon. So intraday trader, it's good to sell, but like myself, day to swing, this is not a good timing to sell, because most likely it's not gonna go down on a daily basis. Okay, let's see. Okay, Hope says, how can I open the position now? Please give me suggestions of entry position. Yeah, so once again, you have to follow the major trend direction. And this is when people panic. Yeah, so the daily chart once again is uptrending on the daily chart. You can see once again the Kumo is up, Kijun Sen up, and Tenkan Sen is slightly upwards too, and Chikou span above the candles. So you still expect the market will go up on the N wave. And with that in mind, if you look at the 1 hour chart, then you know when to take a buy. It will be after the market comes above the Kumo. The Kumo should twist bullish, and then the Kijun Sen should point up like this, and Chikou span should come above the candles, and then you look for the buy chance then. And until it happens, I will do nothing. Let me just adjust the lighting. This is becoming too bright because outside is getting darker now. Okay, let's see. Hello, number 9. Thank you for joining. Good to see you. So yeah, for dollar JPY, this would be the buy chance. Yeah, and you can do the same on other pairs. Yeah, and once again, pound JPY, in a daily chart, let's see, pound JPY is uptrending. So yeah, this is daily chart pound JPY, and it's uptrending. So I look at the 1 hour chart and wait until, once again, Kumo is bullish and Kijun Sen is pointing up, but Chikou span touching with the candles, which is the range confirmation for Ichimoku. So I would wait until the Chikou span comes above the candles and price itself comes above the Kijun Sen, and then look for a buy chance afterwards in 5 or 15 minute time frame. I will look for 3 confirmations in 5 or 15 and take a buy from there. So I would wait for the next 40 minutes and see where the price will close. If it closes in between the Kijun Sen and the Kumo, then I wouldn't look for a buy chance. Because if it doesn't close above the Kijun Sen, then Chikou span will still overlaps with the candles, and price will still be in the Kijun Sen and Kumo, and this is the range sign. The Kumo should go flat and Kijun Sen should go flat also if it happens. Okay. Hello, Anthony. Thank you for joining. To see you. Okay, and Nguyen, thank you for joining too. Good to see you too. So let's see. How about gold? Okay, so let's check gold. Okay, so gold daily chart, as per Ichimoku, this is still downtrending. Oh, now it's ranging. Sorry, it's ranging because the Kumo down, Kijun Sen down, but Chikou span is touching the candles. So it could go up or it could go down, and we don't know which way it's going on the daily chart now. So let's see, in 4 hour chart, yeah, this is also ranging. The price is reaching to the Kumo too tiny, too thin here, and Chikou span overlapping. So this is ranging and there is no trend, and this is not the good timing to trade. And if you are an intraday trader, you can follow the 1 hour chart. And in 1 hour chart, this is showing uptrend. We have the Kumo, thick Kumo here and bullish, and Senko span A is up. Kijun Sen is also up. Chikou span is technically above the candles. So you can expect the market to go up on the N wave. Maybe you can capture N wave as like this, and it could go up continuously in 1 hour chart. So that means as long as Kumo Kijun Sen points up, you trail the profit, and as soon as you have the Kumo flat and Kijun Sen flat, then that's when you exit. Yep. So I have been staying away from gold because once again I am a day to swing, so I take daily chart and forward chart for major direction to take trades, but I see daily chart is down, but in short term it's retracing. In 1 hour chart it's going against the daily direction, and in 30 this is also going against the daily direction. So not the sell chance for me yet. So as a seller, I'm looking for, based on the daily chart, once again, if the market comes below the Kumo and Kumo twists bearish like this, and the Kijun Sen goes down and Chikou span goes down this way, and then I look for the sell chance by following the daily direction. Otherwise, I will do nothing. So this is multiple time frame analysis by Ichimoku, which is my strategy. So every time I see charts, I start from daily chart, I screen pairs and daily chart and forward charts, and I only pick the ones that are trending, and then look at the 1 hour 30 to confirm these trends. So if you already knew my strategy, and let's say you see this Euro USD, this is going against the direction. So let's say in daily chart it's going down today. So let's say in 1 hour chart, let's say you took a sell. Well, in this case there is no place to sell because the Kumo has been flat and Kijun Sen has been flat. So, but let's say you expect the market to go down on the N wave, reverse N wave, and let's say you sell over here. In that case, I would place a stop loss above the previous high. If I just take the 1 hour chart, then the stop loss should be here. This is stop loss. And this risk should be 2%. I would take 2% risk to sell and expect the market will go down this way. But afterwards it didn't. The market went into the Kumo, and Chikou span goes up towards the candles and Kumo points upwards this way. So I would exit either before the market hits a stop loss, or the market will just hit a stop loss and I lose 2% in this particular trade. But technically I won't sell because I didn't see any downtrend confirmation in 1 hour chart. Or I look at the 30-minute chart. So if I see the 30-minute chart, I think there was a downtrend. Let me backward the candles. I think over here there was a downtrend. So daily chart once again is going down, and Kumo down, Kijun Sen down, Tenkan Sen down, and Chikou span is below the candles. So here I look for 3 confirmations in 5 or 15. And let's say I take a sell somewhere, and I put the stop loss above the previous high. In this case, most likely I will put the stop loss above this week high, and I take the stop loss of let's say in this case This is only 8 pips, this is too tight, so I will take the stop loss to the previous high, which is the 26 pips of stop loss. This is decent. Yeah, so in this particular trade, I would place a sell, and stop loss will be above the previous high, and I take 26 pips to the stop loss, and I risk 2% to the stop loss. I risk 2% to the stop loss. So that will be my initial trade, and I expect the market to go down on the reversing waves like this continuously. And as the chart goes on, let's see, let me move the candles one by one. Okay, so here I have on the next candlestick, after I took a sell on this bearish candlestick, I have the reversal, and also I see there is engulfing outside bar, and the market is going against me. So if there is a breakout on the next candlestick, then that will be my exit timing. That will be my exit. But I don't exit just because I have outside bar here, because the Kijun Sen is still down and Kumo still down. So I will still expect the market will go down this way on the reversing wave. And I keep monitoring the chart like this. And then on the next candlestick, there is another engulfing. Technically it didn't break, it's still going down, still kind of bearish, so I would still hold in a loss in this case. And let's see, on the next candlestick it just goes down this way too, so I still hold this one, but I won't move the stop loss break even yet because I don't see a downtrend on the 30-minute chart. And let's see, on the next candlestick it just broke the previous low, so I would move this stop loss to the next low like this way, because there is a breakout, slight breakout here. So the breakout means the market is going down on the reversing wave. So this is downtrending. After I took a sell here, it became downtrending. But this reversing wave didn't happen below the sell. This retracement happened above the position. So I just moved the stop loss to the previous high, and now my risk is becoming like 1%, because this was original stop loss, and originally I took a 2% loss, and now I bring the stop loss to the previous high here. So this is 1% or slightly less than 1%, maybe 0.8% for this stop loss. So I minimize risk this way as the market goes on. And then let's see, on the next candlestick, it goes up like this. So I still keep holding the sell, and I won't move the stop here because I still expect the market go down on the reversing wave like this. So I still hold this sell on the stop loss here. And then let's see, on the next candlestick, okay, the market goes upwards, but still this is on the reversing wave. So I still hold this sell, expecting the market goes down continuously. And then let's see, the market goes up. So technically the market retraces backwards, but it doesn't really break the previous high. So this might become still like a range. This is the Y wave, and the price could still be resisted at the same level, and it could go down this way because the daily chart is going down. So I expect the market go down still along the way. And then on the next candlestick, it touches the stop loss, so I will most likely exit here. this is the sell, this is the stop loss. So in this particular trade, I will lose 11 pips of loss. That's my risk management. Hold on, let me lower the light. This is becoming too bright because outside is getting too dark. Okay, so yeah, so that's my risk management. So I will never hold this sell position until the market reaches all the way top like this. I will never hold it like this. If I sell it here, then I will exit over here. So that I will only risk, I will just exit with a less than 1% and I won't take it in trades afterwards. So this is an example in 30-minute chart, but I do this in 15 or 5. So whenever the market goes backwards against my direction, then I cut the loss soon. And I won't run the loss like this. So that's the risk management. So once again, I say that this is downtrending because that's what the daily chart shows. Yeah, daily chart still shows downtrending. So that's why I say that I expect the market to still go down in the long term. But unless it happens, I won't take any trades. Obviously, now it's retracing. It's going against the daily chart, daily direction. So I would not do anything here. But once it goes bearish, once the market becomes below the Kumo and Kumo twists bearish and Kijun Sen turns bearish and Chikou span goes below the candles, then finally I will look for the sell chance then. I will re-enter the market and place a sell if it happens. But if it doesn't happen, then I will stay away. So I don't really predict which way it's going. I just capture the market direction, but also, as we all know, the market retraces backwards in lower time frames. And once it goes backwards like this very sharply on these USD pairs, you have to have a decent risk management. Otherwise, you can keep losing. Yeah, so that's my risk management strategy. I hope you get this concept. Let's see. Okay, I see lots of comments here. Thank you for joining here. Good to see you. Yeah. Good to see you, everyone. Ariane and Wick Hunter, thank you for joining. Okay, Aussie Dollar, right? Let's check Aussie Dollar here. And on the daily chart. Okay, so on the daily chart, Aussie Dollar, this is still looking downtrending. The Kumo's pointing down, Senko span A down, Kijun Sen down. But on the price action, looks like this is in a range. So unless the market breaks downwards or unless it becomes bearish in lower time frames, I would stay away. Yeah, from tomorrow or from this week, the market, if the market keeps reversing backwards, then in 4-hour chart, let's say in 4, if the market keeps going up this way on the N wave, like this. Oops, hold on. Yeah, on the N wave in 4-hour chart like this, then that will make this 4-hour chart Kumo to be thicker. And also Kijun Sen will come above the Kumo, and Chikou span is already above the Kumo here. And then that will be a buy chance in 4-hour chart. And daily chart should be flat by then. Daily chart will become flat and 4 will become up then after I will look for buy. But right now the price is in the Kumo here, so I will do nothing. This is ranging in forward chart. Okay, I think this is a quite interesting session today. What to do if the market goes backwards in the lower time frames. Okay, Tiffany says, shall we buy USD CHF now? Just retrace previous support. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, dollar Swiss franc is downtrending at the moment. So let's check the daily chart. Yeah, always look at the daily chart first. Okay, on the daily chart, the Kumo still moving up and Kijun Sen is still moving up. So the market can still go up on the N wave like this. So that's the primary condition. And with that in mind, I look at the lower time frames in 1 hour chart. Okay, in 1 hour chart, it's going down. So for me, myself as a day to swing trader, I would wait until the price comes above the Kumo, and the Kumo should twist bullish, and Kijun Sen should come above the Kumo. Chikou span goes above the candles, and then I look for the buy chance then. Yeah. So always keep in mind of the risk management, especially when the market goes up and down like this very sharply. You have to have a decent risk management skill. Okay, let's see. Romeo says, hi Kay, we had a breakout on Euro 50. I took an entry in the 5-minute chart, 3993 level. Let me know what you think. Okay, EU 50, that's the index. Oh yeah, looks like there's a breakout. So let's see on the daily chart. Yeah, there is a breakout. The Kumo's up. Yeah, Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen up. Chikou span above the candles. So this is bullish. So I would expect the market go up on the N wave like this way. And also on the weekly chart, because this is index, I will also look at the weekly. Okay, in the weekly chart also going up. So I think it can reach up to 4,000 level. Let's see, in the 1 hour chart. And I don't recommend to look at the 5 or 15 on these indexes, because like this we have gaps in between the Friday and Monday, and the market could be very spiky on the lower time frames. So oh yeah, and 1 hour chart looks to be bullish too. Yeah, everything is up. So there is a good chance that the market will go up and reach up to 4,000 level. But once the market fills a gap and retrace, breaks the Tenkan Sen, then you better exit. That's the exit scenario here. The market has been supported by the Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen in the past. So the closest one the market can reach in this case is a Tenkan Sen. So once it breaks, then that will be an exit timing. Okay, let's see. Peyo says, with all respect, but right now gold is scrap. Yeah, gold is tricky right now. So I don't really look at the gold right now. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Let me come back to some comments here. GU is uptrending. Okay. Let's see. GU. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so daily chart. Okay, GU daily chart is now flat. Yeah, still flat, Kumo flat. The price is in the Kumo here. And the Chikou span is still with the candles. I was expecting the market go down. And if the market breaks this is Senko span B, then that will become a Sanyaku Gyakuten signal. But looks like it doesn't happen. Yeah, the market is going up on the N wave within the Kumo and it's retracing. So let's check in forward chart and see if this is uptrending in 4. Okay, in forward chart this is uptrending. This is on the N wave. So yeah, it could go up continuously like this way in 4. So as long as it goes up in 4, you can try out the profit. And once the Kumo goes flat and Kijun Sen goes flat, then that will be an exit timing. That's most likely when the market goes flat or retraces backwards, and then you can look for the exit timing then. Yeah. Okay, Hope says, K is better to make a more clear suggestions, buy or sell and where. Of course, it's just your own opinion. Yeah, so right now, I can only create scenarios as to, so if the market goes this way, then I look for buy chance. If the market goes that way, and then I look for the sell chance. Because right now, it's not a good timing to talk about exact buy or selling edges. The market is going to trace in backwards. So I cannot talk about exactly when to buy or when to sell in lower time frames. So I think it's always important to create the scenario in your head before taking trades. Without the scenarios, if the market goes backwards like this in lower time frames, you will become upset. And also always keep in mind the stop loss and also risk management. So just like I showed it to you on the 30-minute chart just earlier, when you take trades, you have to always think about the opposite direction. Yeah, it's like the other side of the coin. So when you buy it, then you have to always think about when to exit when the market goes backwards. And actually, Ichimoku provides really good information about that actually. It makes it so much easier to recognize which way the market's going, ups or downs. So, and this is another mindset of mine, is that the, let's say Euro dollar once again. In the daily chart, this is bearish Kumo, bearish Kijun Sen, Chikou span below the candles, so I say that this is bearish. But in 1 hour chart, this is going up. So which one to follow, daily or 1? And my answer is it depends on your trade style. If you are an intraday, then you can follow the uptrend. But if you are a day to swing like myself, then you better wait for the confluence. You better wait for this 1 hour chart or 30 to be down and look for the sell chance then. Yeah, always go for the higher time frame direction. And that's my strategy. Okay, let's see. Hello, Tanapol. Thank you for joining. Good to see you. Yeah, so when the market goes against you after you took a position, then you have to look for the exit timing. So let's say in this case 1 hour chart is going up and 5, if I see 5, then this is still uptrending. So in 5, this is still uptrending. So let's see. So in my head, let's say I take a buy somewhere here. Let's say take a buy. Then I also think about when to exit. Well, first of all, I look for the stop loss price level, and that will be previous low like here. In this case, I have the stop loss above of about 30 pips stop loss, which is decent. I just take this stop loss, and I expect the market to go up on the 1 hour direction like this. And that's why I buy here. With this stop loss to 2% risk, I buy here. So that's when I take a trade. However, if the market goes backwards, then I have to think about when to exit. So one of the exit timings for me is after I take a buy. Then if the market goes reversing wave like this, then that's when I exit. Well, this is one of the timings for exit, because this is not going up anymore. This is against the direction, because you were hoping, you were expecting the market to go up on the N wave, bullish, because you saw uptrend on 1 hour chart. So in 5, you also expect the bullishness. But if it doesn't happen, then you have to exit. And that's the exit strategy. Yeah, so I think this is a perfect timing to talk about when to exit and also the risk management. Yeah, you're welcome, Rap. Yeah, pound JPY, I already covered it, so you can look at the archive. Kasia says, I want to try Tokyo box strategy, but I have to backtest this first. So today hit the take profit on dollar JPY, euro JPY, pound JPY. Thanks, Kay. Oh, you're welcome, Kasia. You're welcome. Yeah, hold on. I have to adjust this lightings because it's getting dark now. All right. Make sure that my face doesn't get too bright. Okay. So yeah, basically, I'm here to just share my analysis, the view about the market through Ichimoku, because that's what I do. I only take trade in Forex pairs. I don't take trades on cryptos, and that's why I don't really talk about cryptos unless somebody asks me to analyze. And also I follow the daily and 4-hour chart trends. But it depends, right? Depending on the trading style. If you are more of a scalper or intraday, then you can follow a trend in 1-hour chart or 30. But the same strategy, the same rule should apply. The risk management is important for any traders, and mental mindset management is also important for any traders. That's for sure. Let's see. Okay, Mo7 says, hi Kay, when do you decide to close a profitable trade if it didn't reach your profit target? I always get stopped midway through a profitable trade because I move my stop loss to profit. So exit also the same concept. When you look for the exit, that's when the market goes backwards. So right now it's reversing backwards, but the daily chart is still going down. So let's say if you're selling it from all the way to the top like here, then you can still hold it. So tomorrow, if the chart goes bullish, then tomorrow the Kumo Senko Span Rei can be flat and Kijun Sen could be flat also. And then tomorrow you look for the exit timing. but that will be when the market retracement is shallow. When the market retracement becomes shallow and the market starts to consolidate, loses its trend power, then I will look for the exit timing. Otherwise, I just let the market hit the stop as a trial, then that will be my exit. Yeah, so for me, I don't really set the target by price. I just trial the profit as long as it goes, and once it reverses, simply I exit. Before, I was placing these targets based on these support level or resistance levels in the past. Slightly below, that was my target before. But I don't do it anymore because the market sometimes breaks through and I can still trial the profit along the way. It can break the resistance support lines and it just goes in and around like that. So if that's the case, I just trail the profits as long as it goes as trail, and once it retraces backwards, then I simply exit by letting the market hit the stop loss. Is my strategy. Okay, let's see. Yeah, let me cover some of other comments here, and I will be ending the live stream in about 5 minutes. Okay, let's see. John says, can it be also said that when Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen are far from each other, the chances of there also being a retracement is very high? That's if Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen distance is away, then yeah, that means that's a strong trending market, so it could reverse in that sense. Yeah, that's true. Okay, let's see. Hope says, where are you now? According to your, let's see, still daytime. Oh, I'm in Dubai right now. I'm in Dubai. Okay, Modern says, I'm looking for a Kyrie trading opportunity because I'm trying to grow my small account. Yeah. You can be a contrarian like that way. If that's a short term, then that's possible. Like scalpers, if you're scalping, then you can capture these small pips while retracing backwards. Okay, so I guess I will be ending the live stream now. I see lots of other comments, but I'm sorry I cannot go over. Okay, so yeah, once again, that today is rough because USD is spiking right now. So make sure you have a decent risk management and always follow the direction of the market. Otherwise, no trades. And in case the market goes against you, then you have to cut loss soon. Otherwise, you cannot take trades in the long run. All right, so yeah, thank you everyone for your participation, and I will be doing another live stream on my second channel. I have a second channel. This is my private, and this is just to showing my private lives and videos. So on this, I will be doing the live stream from mobile. So if you have time, you can just join by clicking the link below description, and we can have a free discussion. Okay, so once again, thank you for joining, and I will see you on the next one. So everyone, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. All right, bye for now. Mata ne. Thank you.